How to get the reindeer in DTI Quest. First, go to Chapter 2. When you ride the reindeer, find the blue stone. This one and collect it. Once you finish Chapter 2, go to the third sleigh in the right. To the stick pillars and go inside.
Let's get scratching.
Go to the edge and fall down to the second fight. Collect the pink stone. Then leave and join normal DTI. It will say that you collected the reindeer. Go to the photos, boots, and click trophies. And there you have it, your own reindeer.